talking about sex appeal because the person who gets the loudest cheers whenever she walks onto this is you. And I can hear all our paparazzi guys going completely nuts about that. Yes.
We have really launched a line of products from Arrow in the luxury segment. The pricing of the shirt is 5,600 and therefore it's really in the luxury segment. So that's why the shirt is called Super. It's a super shirt and Lux for luxury, Super Lux.
I think everybody is stylish. I think everybody is unique, and I think you should celebrate uniqueness, and uniqueness is style. Because each one is different. Each one has, and that difference becomes their style. So I don't know how to define my sense of style or whatever. I just wear things that I'm comfortable in, and comfortable clothing is the most important thing to me. That doesn't mean I'm only dressed in shorts and a t-shirt. I do wear suits, but they have to be comfortable. I do wear nice shirts, and they have to be Arrow stitchless now. I'll be honest with you, I don't go and shop that much. My stylists go out there and they shop and they get whatever they have to. But if I have to go, I think New York is really nice because it's got everything. London's nice, Paris is nice. And Mumbai, I hope, will get there soon. And so then it'll be easier to shop here as well. Formals mein pehanta hu. देखिए, I mean, you don't wear formals every single day, you wear clothes according to the occasion. And whenever I love wearing suits, I love wearing formal clothing also, but you can't wear them every day. So yes, of course, you see me every day most of the times, and you mostly see me when I'm filming or I'm shooting or I'm moving around somewhere, so you'll see me more in casual wear. But if you come to an event or there's a function where you have to dress formally, you dress formally, and I like to wear formal clothing as well. I think conscious ho gaye log, people like to look after themselves, how they present themselves to people outside. So I think most importantly, अगर आप fit हो, आपकी जो भी style हो, आप casual हो, formals में आप और comfortable हो, वो आपकी अदा है, आपकी style है, और उस हिसाब से I guess everybody just develops that.